I am G.A. Kotiar, the President of the Common People Welfare Foundation. I am a social worker for the last 55 years. I am fighting for the rights of the working class people, particularly social security. I fought in Udupi to get a better ESA facility and Provident Fund minimum wage and gratuities. During this period, I have given an awareness in the year 2017 after seeing the newspaper that our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has told one media the individual members can contribute 250 to 300 by forming their own groups or association or something, and directly they can make a payment to ESA and get the benefit of Social Security as a ESA contributor. In, in this regards, I have given a press meet in Udupi Press Club. On this basis, some of the auto people formed their own company and they applied for the trade license. The municipality, after verifying the land, they are given a shop to make their organization. Same way, they applied for the Labor Department and ESA. Under the provision of the Labor Act, any application is made to the Labor Department, they have to come and visit the entire register, wage structure, and everything. In this case, they are not done any verification, just they are given a license as a trade labor registration. Same way, ESA also they are applied, and after applying, immediately ESA authority has given a license to enroll their member and deduct and pay to the ESA office. In this, during this, all these things, some of the people they made a complaint on that company to the ESA authority as well as the police and some other places. Without verification, they are Mr. Shivaramakrishnan, the regional director of Mangalore ESA, has sent a notice to the cyber crime Udupi to file cyber crime case under section 66C and D. So according to these sections, whoever give an awareness or anything on cyber crime, they can be arrested for 3 years or 1 lakh penalty to be given. They are filed the FIR in the year of 2018 and 19. They, myself has applied to the government, the court, to get anticipatory bail, and I got the anticipatory bail as per the provision of the Act. Thereafter, 2023, cybercrime has filed a case in Udupi Court, PVL civil judge, and before the judge, and it has come for dates. They are given a date, first date to the July, like that they used to give a date, and I personally appear in the court, and first time this lady judge said I cannot enter the court without the advocates. I argued the matter saying that under the constitution any citizen can argue his matter. It is not a criminal case as a murder or anything. It is a purely an awareness. She refused. Finally, she has agreed to appear and argue the matter. Second date, when I visited, she made it very clear I have to take a bail and give a surety. There also I refused to give because I have not committed any crime under any act. I have given only awareness to the public how to get a social security, particularly ESA, to the working class member. So she is refused to entertain, and she has given another date. Another date, 2 days I could not appear at the court because of my illness. In 2017, this month, Saturday, I appeared to the court. The judge of the court said you have to give a security as well as surety and take the bail. I made it very clear, sir, I declare the hunger strike to get a justice from this court. I have not committed any sin or cheated anybody. I have only given awareness. Giving awareness is against the constitutional right. You got every right to arrest under the provision. Then he said, no, you have to give I'm handing over you to the police custody. He has handed over to me to the police custody at 11 o'clock, and then he said 3:30 I will give my decision what exactly I want to do. And there I continue my hunger strike, but every people came and you take the food, you take the water. I said no, unless I get a justice, I will not withdraw my hunger strike. At 3, even particular judge also came, sir, please take the food. It is not good. You are a senior citizen. So therefore, I am arguing. I am a senior citizen. I have not committed any blunder or any fake information given to the public. I has given only as per the provision of the Social Security and ESA Act the awareness. As awareness can be accepted, cannot be accepted. It is a public opinion. In that, I cannot force anybody. But they are formed the organization. They are contributed to ESA. All these things I told. And 3:30, he called all the files from the 2017 to till date. During that period, when first thing he has observed, I already taken an anticipatory bail, then there is no question of taking a bail again. Why the judge has not taken into account in the first hearing itself? It is wrong under the provision of the Act demanding the accused to produce the bail once again. It is avoided under the Act. He said, extremely sorry, and he asked the staff why you are not intimated while presenting the case in the table. They are not. Then again, he has asked the cybercrime police how he have filed the cybercrime case. It is not a cybercrime case because it is given only awareness. Awareness cannot be treated as a cybercrime. He also said in the India, so many cybercrimes are people are losing the money online and everything. What action you have taken only on this person who was activist and doing the better job for the nation? Such a person, you have filed an affair and you have brought him to the court. What is the use of it? And he has not committed anything. He has shown all his documentary evidence before the court. Then he said, say one thing, I will be leaving from the police custody. He told the police person, cybercrime police, please leave him. You take him to the residence or wherever he stays and give him a food. I said, I don't want your food and I don't want that. Exactly 5 o'clock, everything is clear. She has given a date and you need not take any bail or security because you are already taken anticipatory bail. Therefore, court have no jurisdiction to ask once again to the bailer. And see what I am saying in this YouTube channel release or talk. In our country, our judges, our advocates, our court staff, they never read the paper properly. They put some case without knowing anything. Cybercrime have no right to file such a cases unless they verify. Here I will request to the government of Karnataka as well as government of India. Here I am not a culprit. Mr. Shivaram Krishnan, director of ESI, is the biggest problem he has created without seeing anything. And even I refer to the Delhi Commissioner, Director of ESA, Prime Minister, President of India. Sir, I have not committed any mistake. I given only awareness to the public, and Social Security is the one of the best thing for the Indian working class people. So therefore, this is must be given to all unorganized sector and everybody, so that they will be happy and they will give a more productive. This was the aim of our foundation. We now also we are doing it. Our judge who was sitting in the 17, he was appreciated my work and our foundation's work, but it is our judiciary system. Judiciary system never follow the rules of the law. Only they give a date and they will say unnecessary things and put a person in a wrong trap. So therefore, it is my duty to appeal all the Indian citizens without taking a proper thing. The cybercrime or any crime, they cannot file a FIR. Before filing a FIR, we must verify what exactly the thing. Same way in the court, when the summons to be taken or a bail to be taken, surety to be given, we have to observe the value of the case without valuing anything. We are saying that you have to take a bail and you have to take a surety, all these things, because anticipatory bail itself is a bail. The question does not arise to take a second time. See, whatever the judge said, I really appreciate his views that our judiciary system is not good and our staff also not able to understand what exactly he thinks. Here I appeal to all the citizens. We must unite and fight our judiciary system. It is only date-giving judiciary system. We don't get a justice at all. Therefore, the Common People Welfare Foundation is appealing to all the citizens of the country to fight the better judiciary system in India. And I am appealing once again to the President of India and Prime Minister of India. We must take a serious action to improve the judiciary system in India. Otherwise, the Common People Welfare Foundation will make more and more videos and publish how weak our judiciary system. Therefore, I appeal all our citizen youth come forward with us, fight for a better judiciary system in our country. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Please subscribe this video for the purpose of bringing a better judiciary system.